Hey guys, it's Madison. Thanks for joining me in this faithful home. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to paint these adorable wood peg dolls for a beautiful nativity scene for Christmas. We have Joseph and Mary. Of course, we have to have baby Jesus, the three wise men, a few shepherds, and their sheep. And I am super excited to take you guys on this cute little tutorial. But before I begin, if you are new to my channel, I love making Christian homemaking videos, lifestyle content, and anything DIY related. So if any of that interests you, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button so you feel welcomed into this faithful home with me. Without further ado, let's paint these peg dolls. For this project, I found these wood peg dolls at Hobby Lobby as well as the wood eggs. And here I'm going to just put a bunch of different neutral colored paints on the plate that I will want to use to paint the different peg dolls. I'm starting off here by giving each of these peg dolls a nice base coat for the body. I did end up doing 2 layers of the paint to make sure that it was very opaque and letting them dry each coat. You may be wondering what these eggs are for, which I guess a spoiler already occurred at the beginning of this video when I showed you the final result, but these are going to be for the animals. I saw this on Pinterest. It was really cute. They painted the head of an animal onto the egg shape and it turned out really cute, so I wanted to try it as well. Here's where the fun starts to begin, and this is giving the bodies some detail. So here I'm going in with some gray paint and adding what looks like a little shawl to represent what Mary may have been wearing, as well as Joseph. You can see here I'm doing a straight line down with the gray, painting all the way around the back and then giving them both a little hood. And I thought that was a cute detail. The best part about this project is that you can really make it however you want. So for baby Jesus, I did a little stripe for him to make it resemble him being swaddled. And then here for one of the wise men, I am giving them a belt. The opportunities are endless here for how you want to paint your dolls. And I love that this can be so unique and versatile, even down to the different hair types like you will see me paint here.
wanted to make sure that this nativity scene had everybody of importance. So here is Mary, we also have Joseph, baby Jesus, 3 wise men, and a few shepherds and their sheep. Here's where everything really comes to life when you add the little swoop for the eyes. I love that I decided to do it with their eyes closed. I think that is really sentimental. It kind of gives tribute to baby Jesus and a moment of silence for his birth. I'm not gonna lie, painting these sheep onto the egg was a little bit harder than I anticipated, but I really love how they turned out. I think they are super cute and such a nice touch for this nativity scene. The last thing that I'm painting here is the staff for the shepherd. I almost forgot that. And what is a shepherd without his staff?
Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed seeing me paint these dolls. I think they turned out super cute and they are a really pretty piece for our mantle, aka our TV stand, that we are going to get to display every Christmas season to show the true meaning of Christmas, the real story, and to be able to bring this along for generations to come. I love how aesthetically appealing these are and how simple and just classic looking these nativity scenes are. And so I am really excited to have it on display for years to come. If you guys enjoyed this video, I would love for you to give it a thumbs up and comment down below what kind of nativity scene do you have at your house. Are you a Christian and do you believe in Jesus? Or do you want to learn more about what it looks like to have a relationship with Christ? Let me know down in the comments below and I would love to chat and have a conversation with you. If you are new to my channel, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button so you feel welcomed into this faithful home with me. I regularly upload on Wednesdays and Saturdays at 3 p.m. Eastern, but because it's Vlogmas, I am also posting every Monday at 3 p.m. Eastern as well. So I will check back with you guys in another video soon. Bye guys!